Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make PowerPoint with Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you will be needing to do is to log in into your account on Microsoft 365. And after that, you will be needing just to go to applications. So by clicking on this icon, you will find all the applications allowed into your organization or for your user. So basically here I already have PowerPoint. So simply we need just to click on PowerPoint. And after that, you will be able to start like creating your own presentations for uh, your organization or whatever. So from here, you will be able to start using PowerPoint as you are using it for the desktop app or anything. So basically, you will be able like to start like having some designer. You can use this design as an inspiration and whatever. And from here, you will be able like to start insert the text, like you can get a new presentation or new uh, these ones. And basically, you will also have like many things that you will be adding. Like you can also insert like shapes, images, tables, transitions, animations, and everything. And at the end, you will be needing like uh, no need to save since it is saved automatically because like you are on the cloud and basically all the changes are saved automatically and you don't fear like for your changes to not be saved. And as you can see, as long as you are online on the internet, all everything will be saved here. So basically, this is how you can use like PowerPoint on the Microsoft 365. Thank you for watching and see you next time.